Hello guys, it's Holly and today we are going to the park. Yes, okay, so we're going to the park. It's been quite a while since we went to the park, y'all. Quite a while. So I'm pretty happy that we're going. Yeah, I'm happy and we're going to do a lot of things. So yeah, we're going to eat, play. Actually, I don't know about eating because we didn't like pack any snacks or anything. Well, anyways. Alright guys, we are in the car heading to the park. I like going to the park because sometimes I just need to break from staying in the house all day and stuff like that. And it's good to go outside every once in a while, you know, doing fun activities and stuff. Yeah, that's why I like going to the park. It's very fun. Like, I like swinging on the swings. Yeah, that's probably like one of my favorite parts about going to the park and stuff. Oh, and also I like to play tag and like soccer, but we didn't brought a soccer ball. We bought a frisbee though. So yeah, that's why I like going to the park. Guys, for my next video idea, I really want to go to urban air. But we can't because I like school and stuff. So we're probably gonna do that on a weekend. I really like urban air a lot. It just have like so much fun things to like. We have so much fun things to do at urban air. I like the trampolines and like the foam pit and stuff like that. I just really like it. And if anyone were to ask me like what is going to be like my next video, it will probably be me at urban air because I love urban air so much. It's like the greatest indoor park in the world. Like, I love urban air because the trampolines are definitely really cool. I love the trampolines, and I also like the foam pit. Like, sometimes I just like to, you know, hover myself in the foam pit because why not? And yeah, I also like the food they have at urban air and stuff. So yeah, I really like urban air, and that's probably gonna be my next video if any of you guys are wondering. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now I'm sitting down at a bench, and yeah, I just gotta say I love this park. Like, I like how it looks. I like the lake over there, and yeah. By the way, the name of this park is called Treaty Park. Yeah, it's in St. Augustine, so yeah. And I live very far away, so yeah. So you're driving a long time. So yeah, I like everything because it got like so much like different kinds of sport. Like, they got kickball over there, they got soccer. Actually, let me show you actually. Yeah, as you can see, like a soccer field over here, and they got a kickball field over there, and then they got tennis over there. Yeah, as you can see right over there. So yeah, my whole family is here, and we love the place. Like, we actually been here like one time before, and yeah, we actually been here before, and it was great. It was actually really great. Like, we walked a little bit. Yeah, we walked a little bit, and it was fun. And I also went here another time for a field trip. And yeah, it was like a field trip for like people that do tutoring and stuff. It was fun. It was really fun. And also when we were here, like, why can I not talk? Okay. When we was here, there's like a snow cone area, a snow cone track and stuff, and Yeah, I like soda. It's kind of like Kona Ice. If you guys never heard of Kona Ice, it's just like flavor ice basically. Yeah, flavor ice, and that was really good. I love Kona Ice, and yeah, Trader Oaks. There's always like a food truck, like any kind of food. It could be ice cream, Kona Ice, or like anything really. I like the pond. It's really nice. I remember that in my old neighborhood there was like a pond, and like there was like crocodiles and ducks, and we loved feeding the ducks. And yeah, Treaty Oaks reminds me of that. That's why I like Treaty Oaks. There's like a lot of things that Treaty Oaks has that not a lot of other parks have. And yeah. Be careful of the crocodiles, Zarya. Alright guys, I'm going down the slide. Whee! Okay. Yeah, that was so fun, guys. That was so fun. After this slide, I'm gonna go on the swings because I like the swings. Actually, my favorite part has to be this. Yeah, Zarya. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. I said go. What's wrong? Yeah, let's go. Wow, good job. Whee! I'm gonna touch the clouds, y'all.
Alright.
Yeah, this is not too high, right? Do you feel like you're gonna touch the sky?
Yeah.
The sky is all the way up there. Whoa! So you like this one? Whee! Whee!
Keep your feet up. Someone touch the floor.
Yeah, when you go up, your feet are up, and then when you go down, your feet are down. Yeah, like that. Go! Vamos! So guys, we are going for a baseball game over there because there's like people practicing baseball, and like I said, there's like a lot of like different kind of sports you can play here at Treaty Oaks. So yeah, we're just gonna go watch a practice baseball game. And yeah, I'm also here with my dad. Yeah, I'm also here with my dad. So yeah, if you guys see a random man wearing white, that's my dad. Alright, so I'm here at the baseball practice. These people speak a different language than me, so I have like no idea what they're saying and stuff. And also the street lights just came on, so yeah, that beach is When the streets are on, obviously that means that it's getting dark and we need to go home soon. So I am just going to record this quick baseball game. I don't really know how to play baseball really. So yeah, fun fact, I don't know how to play baseball at all. Like, put me on a field, like put me in a baseball game and I have no idea what to do or like anything really. Guys, this is what I see. Just some random people playing, I guess. And I love the sunset. Like, look at that. That sunset looks so cool. Yeah, I'm actually gonna take like a quick picture because this feels so aesthetic and I love aesthetic things. So, yeah. Guys, everyone's going home because I know that everyone's going home because when I got here, there was like a basketball court and there were like a whole lot of people, like a whole school of kids just like playing on the basketball court. And like even when I'm far away in the baseball area, I can hear them playing. And now I hear nothing. Yeah. All I hear is this baseball group. Why am I stuttering so much? All I hear is this baseball group, like nothing else. I don't think my dad's gonna give me time. I'm gonna have to go there myself. So, yeah. The baseball game is nice though. They're really good, actually. Never mind, because the pitcher, the one that hits the ball, they missed, and the ball literally went backwards, like the other way. Like I could be aiming over there, and the ball just goes right to me. Maybe I was okay. So that's what I think. They're not that good. They could be better, really. But I can't really be talking about it because I don't even play baseball at all, and I'm not that better. So yeah. Even when playing golf, like I'm always missing the ball in golf. That's why I don't really like golf. Yeah, sometimes in PE when we play golf, I'm like the worst kid. No joke. No freaking joke, guys. So anyways, I am just gonna go back there and reunite with my family, like a family reunion. Guys, my family didn't abandon me. I see them. They all came to reunite with me. I thought you guys abandoned me. Yeah. Wait. Oh my god. This is way too hard.
It is not that hard.
Let me show you that one then. Wait, how? I don't know how to work this.
When does the seat go up?
Wait, how do we work this thing actually? Dad, can you help me? Let me see. Oh, it's just a jump. Clark, you need to hop. Look at him struggling. Look at him. Alright, go.
Wait.
Hey!
Look.
Your turtle! There is a turtle! No! It is good food! Hey! It's going to eat the turtle! Oh no!
The baby one just went down. There's a spider over there. There's a spider over there.
Where?
Oh, so
It's on the wood.
dang, but that's big.
Long legs.
That's not that easy.
Oh, imagine I just dropped the phone in the water. I'm putting in my pocket. I don't know, I just swim. What the?
No.
Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Area 2. And it got the lake. Yeah, very. Oh, and it got the skate park.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah. Yeah.